everybody, it's Kiara Nolan, and I'm super excited to announce today that I am doing a collaboration with the hair care company Mix Chicks. For those of you that don't know what Mix Chicks is, their company sells a bunch of hair care products that caters to multicultural people, especially with curly hair like mine. I know personally I've always kind of had a hard time finding different products that worked for my hair and worked with my curls. I would buy products that I wasn't super happy with, but it kind of, got the job done, I guess, until I found Mix Chicks, and I absolutely fell in love with their product line. They have a bunch of different products that works with all different types of curly hairs. So today I'm going to do a product review for them and talk about what personally works on my hair, and I'm super excited to share with you guys, so let's get into it. The first product that I want to talk about is the Curl Sculptor, and I absolutely fell in love with this product when I first tried it. It's a curl creator that provides definition for your curly texture, elongates your curls, which I'm a big fan of, and it also softens and moisturizes your hair. I love that this product is meant to be applied to wet hair because many mornings I will spray my hair with water before combing it out. If I try to comb out my hair while it's dry, it's a little bit of a nightmare. So I will comb out my hair, apply the Curl Sculptor, and then style it as usual, and it really just defines my curls, or like it says, creates my curls, and then I let it air dry. And this product dries super quickly. It is my biggest pet peeve when my hair looks wet half the day because the product won't dry in my hair. But this product doesn't have that issue, which is great. It's somewhere between a gel and a cream based, but it's a really light product. It's weightless, like it says here. So if you have curly hair and you like a light, almost gel cream based product, I would recommend the Curl Sculptor. The second product I want to talk about is the Morning After Redefining Foam. And this is the solution for flat, dull, next day hangover hair. Basically, instead of rewashing and having to completely restyle your hair, if you wake up in the morning and your curls look pretty good, it just needs some touching up, you put in the redefining foam and it will do that for you. Again, it's a foam consistency and you use it on dry hair. I know that sometimes if my hair is done before I go to bed, I'll wake up in the morning and my hair looks pretty good. It just needs some fixing up. And so that's when I'll use the redefining foam. I would highly recommend this product, especially if you don't have a lot of time to do your hair in the morning because you wake up late or whatever. If you throw in this foam, it will definitely redefine your curls and re-energize your curls. And so I absolutely love this product. The next two products I want to talk about are the two conditioners from the Mix Chicks hair care line. We have the conditioning cleansing co-wash that you use in the shower, and then we have the daily hair dress that you use out of the shower. The most important thing that I want to point out about this conditioner is that it really detangles your hair. So when you get out of the shower, or if you comb your hair in the shower, you don't have a problem working through those knots. And I know that's a big problem for me after I wash my hair, and so using this conditioner eliminates the problem. This daily hair dress is great for using when you want to condition your hair outside of the shower. I use it maybe 3 to 4 times a week, but you can use it every day if you want. It's made with a bunch of different oils, and so it just repairs your split ends, it makes your hair less frizzy in general, and then it moisturizes your hair. So I highly recommend both of these conditioners. They're really excellent, and I'm really happy that I added them to my hair care routine. The next two products I want to talk about are the Styling Gel and the Slick Styling Tamer. I'm super active, so I'm always putting my hair up in a ponytail or a bun, and I'm always having to deal with my little flyaway curls on top, and so I use these two products to help me control them. Again, this is a gel-based product, and so I use it as a gel, but you can use this as kind of a Curl Sculptor if you want it. This is a little heavier than the Mix Chicks Curl Sculptor, but it still will do the same job. The Slick Styling Tamer is great for controlling your edges. Again, you can use it with any hairstyle. I just personally use it for my ponytails and my buns, and they work really, really well. So that is the end of my product review. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below and I will answer it for you. And please check out Mix Chicks. They have an Instagram, Facebook, website. I promise you will not be disappointed with their products. Thank you for watching.